This is going to be a topic, walk and talk topic. We'll call Topic Tuesdays, and I'll release these on a Tuesday. Just as a break from normal, mildly interesting adventure type videos. I like to just talk about things. So it feels like people like opinions and to hear what's going on. I thought we'd talk about what's changed in Phnom Penh since we were last here. What do you think?
I don't really feel a lot of change. Just a few places, like there's a few buildings change.
So there's still development here. There's a couple of places where literally were dumpy piles of rubble that are now buildings. There seems to be a bit more development in town still. See, look, there's buildings up there. There's still development happening.
But to be honest, I feel like I've never left.
You reckon?
Yeah.
I reckon there's a couple of things I reckon are different.
Like
it's quieter.
In terms of tourists, yeah.
In terms like
but the country itself.
Like in town, it feels quieter. Hang on. There's a lot of traffic at night when we came back from the airport, but when we went around the markets and whatnot, it did feel quite quiet. And even in the roads, like on middle of the day, yeah, it just didn't feel like it was packed or busy, did it? What do you think?
I have a different opinion to you.
Okay.
I feel it's the same chaos, like traffic and whatnot. For local life, just normal.
Okay.
But you don't really see tourists walking around.
So maybe that's why I'm not noticing is just the barangs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just the absence of barang.
Okay.
But in terms of everything else, it's all still the same.
Okay. I did notice this though, when we came down 136, there appeared to be more guests at the establishments. I think that's a polite way to say there's probably a lot more girls in the bars than there was here last time. Remember we did a video, we walked down that street. It was Christmas time and it was before the spicy cough, but there were still tourists here and it was pretty bloody quiet. And that was actually later when we did that video compared to when we came in. And yeah, they were packed. So I don't know whether that's been driven by opportunity, as in people are losing their jobs because there's no tourists because of COVID. So they've turned to working in the bars, or whether it's just a different time. Just while Kinal's checking the rates. A couple other things I've noticed. There's a new beer in town called Crud, K-R-U-D, Grud they call it. There used to be a show on Triple M in Australia called The Crud Show. And it was Tony Moclair and Julian Schiller, and that's where Guido Hatzis came from. So to us, crud is sort of a derogatory term, or it's not a very favourable term. That's a bit cruddy. 69 cents.
Yeah.
Freaking hell, shit house. So there's a lot of advertisement for that. We haven't actually found one in a shop yet, so we'll be keen on trying it. A couple of tourists, good on them. Here's a shit heap Camry. Look at this. Oh, that's a Corolla. Been cut off by a shit heap Camry. Oh, love it. So just telling him about Grud beer.
Oh yeah.
Grud. The other thing is, yeah, Papa John's just popped up here, and the advertising for it on the way into town was horrific. Big American pizza chain. It's just everywhere, and we actually can see. Oh, look.
Huh?
7-Eleven.
Oh yeah.
Do you want to walk up to there?
Nah.
No, too far.
Not that, but what do you need from 7-Eleven?
Just the novelty of it.
No, novelty somewhere else. I'm just looking for food.
Yeah. One other thing is that we found that, well, I've found, when I went for a walk, the tuk-tuk guys are a lot more talkative. They obviously want your business because they're trying to make up for the last couple of years of not having anything. It's hard to say, you know, I've been and done a lot of stuff here, so whatever. We're at the Kandal market now, guys. Have a look. Isn't it lovely? And cost of things. So I think the biggest one for us was Central Market, the $4 for a piece of chicken and $6 for a prawn.
That market just a rip-off market.
We think that, yeah, it's probably a rip market.
Last night we went for a walk to get food.
Yep.
Everything costs normal.
So you'll see we've got a street food video at some point, you'll see, and that was normal prices. But yeah, Central Market never used to be like that, did it?
Cambodia central markets like that.
Okay. Or maybe that isn't something different.
Because I've explained it on the previous video, because the rental cost at central markets always, like, it's more expensive than to say this market.
Yeah.
The prices are often more expensive than...
They're just at the locals, like literally on the street.
Yeah, but they also... Seems like at the central market they always
Hang
try
on.
to charge you more.
Yeah, check this out. Live chooks.
You want more chicken?
Nah, well there's chicken in there. You want chicken?
Frog?
Frog. More for Maddo. So there you go, guys. That's our topic Tuesday for this Tuesday.
Not really anything.
There's nothing here to get. Freaking hell. Look at the chaos behind us. If you've got any questions or got a topic you want us to talk about, let us know in the comments. And we'll obviously answer your questions as well. Until next time, we'll see you later. Ciao.
Ciao.